Let's check out the parts that come with your new enclosure. All the screws that hold it together. These are the two screws for the LCD holder. And of course, here's the LCD holder itself. The four little widget enclosure locks. Bunch of corner brackets that everything gets screwed into. Here's the front door with the frame section already attached. The back plate, as well as the two sides and top plates. Here's all your frame parts. Here's the frame sections that are going to go around the door area on the front of it. There's also a special one for if you have the LCD screen, and we'll go over that one shortly. And what makes these door ones special is there's a groove on one side and flat on the other side, which is where the door will lean up against. One of these frame pieces will have a metal plate on it. This is where the magnet from the door will latch onto. Here's a little close-up of where the LCD screen holder will attach, and the two screw mounting holes on the back. Let's go ahead and start off by attaching these enclosure locks. Go to the second camera here and just go ahead and screw those in place real quick. And don't mind that wrench. I'm just switching out for the one that came with my printer. Go ahead and grab 3 rails and the bottom door rail. Just grab any of the ones that are marked with that without the metal flange on it. Let's get all these screws in place and put those in. This is where I made a little mistake. The one on the left will actually be taken out because that's where the door is supposed to attach. So that all flaps, so we're good with that. Let's go ahead and take off the paper on the back plate. Go ahead and get rid of that. Let's flip that around and take it off on the back side of the back plate. And that can go away too. Now let's go ahead and get that installed. Time to remove the protective paper from the rest of these panels now. Let's go ahead and get the two sides installed, and we'll set the top one to the side. And this next frame section is just the extra part that goes on the top, where we're going to use the LCD section instead. So I can go ahead and put that to the side and start assembling the top. Let's go ahead and get everything screwed into place here. And we're going to attach that LCD holder to the front there. And right about here is where I realized those corner pieces are kind of in my way, so I had to move those first, and then I can put everything together. So we'll go ahead and assemble the LCD bracket in the front, slide that together, screw it down. There's all my extra screws. We're going to go ahead and install this at the top now. Now you couldn't start installing the screws from this position, but I suggest probably taking the whole enclosure off and then install them that way. So we're going to do that here. Got it on its side. We'll flip it over and put in the other screws. Now let's go ahead and install these lockers here and then screw in the bottom with your hand, and that's it. Now you have your new enclosed Trinus 3D printer. We'll get to the LCD installation at a later video.